I've been carrying this Field Notes pocket notebook for the past 6 months every day. If there's been one thing consistent in my life, it's been putting an entry into this pocket notebook every morning. Rain or shine, good mood or bad mood, I'll be putting an entry in with what I want to accomplish for the day. This routine has taught me the benefit of habits in that regard. If everything goes to hell, at least I know I have my notebook. At least I know it's there. The notebook has become a part of me, a part of my mind and productivity. I've only used it for 6 months, but I cannot possibly imagine living without it now. I feel as if it was a tool that I always needed yet never had. It's almost as if meeting a soulmate. How did you ever live without them? I've made the effort to keep my daily entry process simple. Making it too complicated defeats the purpose, in my opinion. Over the past 6 months, I've developed a straightforward process that is easy to decipher. Each day I make a red line and put the date. This is my entry, if you were to call it that. Red, like all the other colors, I don't use for anything else. From a distant glance, I know that red means a change in day. You could call me a visual person, I guess, but colors help me know what I'm looking at within milliseconds. The last 6 months, if anything, have taught me what I really use this notebook for, and the various types of lists or ideas I take record of. Separate colors help with this process. I use black ink for general writing, blue for shot lists, green for YouTube video ideas, and orange for Patreon video ideas. If I were to use black ink for all of my writing, it would be harder to tell what the hell is going on. A color code may seem obvious in its purpose, but I still feel it deserves an explanation on my behalf. But again, keep it simple. Overcomplicating our pocket notebooks and their process strip us from the joy they give. I've learned that keeping the big things I want to get done for the day under a dozen keeps the motivation required to do them. Over a dozen, and I feel a lingering burden by their presence. I've also learned that a pocket notebook became my best friend when it came to recording new ideas for videos and whatnot. When I get a new idea and a good idea, I immediately write it down. No exceptions. Even if I feel 100% confident that I'll remember an idea, I won't, and I've learned that to be a fact the hard way. That was the original idea for carrying a pocket notebook because I never know when these ideas will come, so I must be prepared. I can recall one time in the bakery I work at when 10 or so ideas came to me all at once. I had to quickly jot them all down because I knew they would fade away just as fast as it came to me. This video, in fact, was one of the ideas that I jot down, but I'll never forget the 5 or 6 times when I had an incredible idea for a video, but I didn't have a way to quickly record it, so it got lost in the process. When I go in the morning to check and see if I have all my EDCs, I always check my back left pocket for my pocket notebook first, even before my wallet. The ideas are priceless. Rick Rubin even says that they don't come from us, they come from source, which gives us these ideas at exactly the right time. Gotta have a notebook and gotta have a pen to go with it. As I was editing this video, I think I made it seem like I went through one pocket notebook the last 6 months. Like I've only used one. I've actually used 4, if you can see that number there. I keep them here in this slot, but I took them out so I could show you. I've gone through 4, so that's 1 every 2 months. And the field notes are 48 pages. So I don't know what the math is on that like that. I think I go through like 1 page to like 3 pages a day. You're going to run through a few after time. Field notes are my favorite that I've used, although I haven't used that many, but I stick with them because they're good. One of the benefits of joining the Patreon is that I hand type a letter to you, a thank you letter to you, right after you join. It's one of my favorite things to do, and also joining the Patreon engages you in a real community of other people. The link is right here. Thank you for watching.